Guys, and welcome back to my video series on FORTRAN programming, or programming with modern FORTRAN. Okay, they're all the same. Okay, so we are looking at relational operators. Okay, now what are relational operators? I think we've discussed two basic kinds of operators already. One of them is the class of arithmetic operators, where we talked about addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and the rest of that. The second one we discussed about was the equality operator. Okay, they call them assignment operators. So that's when you say, okay, what is on the left hand side is equal to. So basically you're saying you're assigning what you have on the right hand side to what you have on the left hand side. Okay, so let me just give you a brief demo of what I mean. And possibly I have something like, we've been seeing that if I have x equal to 7, so this operator we have here, this guy, this is called an assignment operator. Okay, so what we are saying here is that we are saying 7 is assigned to x. That's what we have here. But now I want to look at another class of operator. We call them the arithmetic operators. So the relational operators. So what are relational operators? Relational operators are basically used to compare items. Okay, that's why they say they are relational. You use them to compare items. You want to see if the left hand side is equal to the right hand side, or if the left hand side is greater. So there's always some degree of relationship. So if you want to determine that degree of relationship, that's where you use relational operators. So there are 6 basic kinds of relational operators. So just move down to our IDE and then we'll discuss about them. So I'll create a new file. Okay, I'll create a new file. So I'll say program. Want to look at relational operators, right? So I can have a space here. So the 6 basic kinds of relational operators we have, let me use a comment for them. They are less than, we have greater than, we have greater than or equal to, what? Greater than or equal to, yeah. We have less than or equal to, okay. We have equal to, and then finally we have not equal to. So these are the 6 we have. For less than, the symbol we use is normal less than. For greater than, we use greater than. For greater than or equal to, what we use is greater than or equal to. Less than or equal to, we have less than or equal to. For equal to, we have double equal to. And for not equal to, we have backward slash equal to. So that's what we have for the relational operators. So let's see how they work out. So I'll say end program relational operators. So let me just show you what's how we use them. So whenever you use relational operators, your result is going to turn out to be what you call a Boolean result. Okay, a result that is either going to be true or false, because when you use relational operators, you want to see if a statement is true. And whenever you're trying to see a statement that is either true or false, is called a logical expression. That's what you call that, a logical expression or a logical statement, because it returns one of 2 values, a true or a false. And what you have in the operators you have in logical expressions, they are relational operators. Or you can also have what they call logical operators. We'll come to logical operators later. Please take notes. There is a difference between logical operators and logical expression. An expression that returns true or false is a logical expression. A logical operator, I'm going to show you what they are. They are used to connect logical expressions. I'll show you what they are. Okay, we have a video on that. So meanwhile, so let's say I have something like that, 5 greater than 9. So the question is 5 greater than 9? Do you think it's going to be true or false? Or if I have 51 greater than 9, or 51 less than 90, is it true or false? or if I have 12 equal to 5, is it true or false? If I have 15 greater than or equal to 15, is it true or false? And let's see one more. I'll take one more, the rest is going to be on you guys. So if I have 12 not equal to 4, is it true or false? So for the record, this first one, 5 greater than 9, is obviously false, so we are going to get a result as false. It's going to give us F as a result. 51 less than 90, yes, it's actually true, so that's going to give us a true. The result we are going to get is a capital T. Okay, let me zoom this in a bit so that you guys will see what I'm doing there. So that's a capital T. For 12 equal to 5, 12 cannot be equal to 5, so their result is going to be a false. 15 greater than or equal to 15, yes, 15 is equal to 15, so we are going to get a 2 there. And 12 not equal to 4, yes, 12 is not equal to 4, so that's also going to be a 2. So that's what we have, guys. So this is the result you should be expecting when you run this program. So let's run this program and see if truly we are going to get those results. So we'll call this relational, right? That would be nice. Let's call that relational. So I'll move to the top, build. Hopefully there won't be any error. Then we start run. The description is out of date. Would you like to build? Yes, I think I've built. So let's start run again. Why are they telling me execution is out of date? Let's take it back. Okay, there's an error somewhere. Where do we have that error? Relational operators. Let's see. End program. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see any error, because for me, I'm not seeing any error. I think, let me check the top. So this is what you call debugging. Okay, they said there's an error, and they didn't tell me unexpected comma. Where do I have an unexpected comma? Okay, let me change this. Obviously that's not it. Okay, let's try that. I think that's the issue. Yep. So this is a mistake. It's not backslash, it's /. Okay, that's what we have for not equal to. / equal to. Okay, so guys, I think you've seen how I was able to debug that error. The compiler is not friendly enough to tell me where the error is coming from, the actual line, but I was able to figure out where it could possibly be coming from. So let's run this and see. So I have to build this time around. So okay, so you can see the first is F, like we suspected, right? I think that's what we suspected. Let's see if that was what we suspected. The first is F, the second is T. Let's go down a bit. The first is F, the second is T, the third is F, the fourth is T, the fifth is T. Okay, so I think we're good here. So that is it, guys, for this program. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next video, where we are going to be talking about logical data type. So when you do this computation, do you have to just print out the result? What if you want to save the result somewhere for you to make use of it? Okay, I know that something is true, I want to make use of that truth value some other time. How do I do that? That's what we are going to be looking at in the next video. Okay, logical data type. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.